Oh my God, this is the year of the Raghu, the Raghus and the Rajivs. Let's go and check this out.
मोहब्बत कर तूने लेकिन मोहब्बत
Is he the only guy with a personality in this whole panel?
विशाल वापस चला जाएगा।
रघु सर, जिंदगी में कुछ ना कुछ हो ही जाता है। रोडीज ऑडिशन नहीं आ पाया, लेकिन यहाँ पे फाइनली
कुल्लू तो रोडीज में नहीं टिकता भाई।
अरे सर, मैं बता रहा हूँ, मेरी इतनी ज्यादा, इससे ज्यादा मैंने किसी चीज के सपना नहीं देखा था जितना रोडीज ऑडिशन में देखा था।
But your vibe is more like Splitsvilla.
तो बड़े हो गए।
Wait, what's the difference? I thought it's the same thing because मैंने रोडीज देखा है सेकंड सीजन या फर्स्ट सीजन। पाकी वाला, पाकी नाम था ना? नहीं, क्या नाम था यार उसका? वो एशियन बॉय, एशियन लुकिंग बॉय, और क्या नाम था यार उन दोनों का? भूल गया मैं। But you guys know what I'm talking about.
I've always wondered why people would want to come to a roadies audition when I was taking it.
I am from generation of Devarshi bhai, so
मैं अगर किसी आदमी से मैं पेन मांगूंगा तो आदमी भी अगर 2 साल के बाद मिलूंगा तो मेरे को याद रखेगा कि हाँ इसने मेरे से पेन मांगी।
He is legend, bro.
he's the ultimate legend.
We reacted to one of Devarshi's clips, you know, one of the episodes. Then he messaged me on Instagram saying, "Really appreciate that even today." Remember, I said कि नहीं भाई, आपने मुझसे पेन मांग किया था। We are live on members only, and of course the first question that somebody has asked is, ये रघु है या राजीव? Yo, welcome to another very, very special episode. It's special for a bunch of reasons. Let's begin. We have Banker OP in the house, Writer OP in the house, Prison OP in the house, Manager OP in the house. Making his return to the reaction episode is Shohar OP, aka Vishal Dehama. Vishal, welcome back. As soon as KL Rahul gets injured, Vishal Dehama decides to return back into the world. And of course, 10 years from that epic day of the AIB roast, the one, the only, the man, the myth, the legend, Raghu Ram returns to a platform with me and Rohan, proving once again that any platform where Indians need to humiliate themselves, Raghu will be there.
Will be there.
Raghu, welcome to the show. How are you doing?
Bro, looking like he's from Harry Potter.
Since
It's
that?
been
10 years, yeah.
Close to 10 years.
FIR में हुई है।
Guys, my apologies. Abhi se I've lost my voice last night. Last night was rough, so I partied a lot. Nothing crazy, but yeah. So just bear with me, please. Bear with me, because I beared a lot.
First step in that long because I must have forgotten the trauma of what happened next. Rohan Joshi and we, both of
Yes.
us were thing together.
We went together. I still have the selfie that we took over there.
What is this
Oh,
story?
wow.
Rohan?
So we go, okay, for interrogation to the police station, and before we enter the police station,
Wait, hold on. What?
So how are you doing, brother?
Thanks, man. It's been 10 years since
It's
that.
been
10 years, yeah.
Close to 10 years.
FIR में हुई है।
First step. First step in that long because I must have forgotten the trauma of what happened next. Rohan Joshi and we, both of
Yes.
us were thing together.
We went together. I still have the selfie that we took over there.
What is this story, Rohan?
So we go, okay, for interrogation to the police station.
AIB में जो
Before we
FIR
enter
कटी
the
थी।
police station, and the cop goes outside for 2 seconds. Raghu looks at me and he's like, "मेरे को selfie लेना है यहाँ पे." And at one point again, the cop goes out for 2 seconds. Raghu picks up his phone, gets a selfie of both of us smiling and puts it down.
Cops also took photos with us later on.
Yeah. Then the cop goes to.
That's pretty
But
cool.
of course, Raghu, recently everybody saw both of us on the last India's Got Laden episode, and you of course crushed it. Peak Raghu was back. सारे memes हम देख रहे हैं. How you feeling after that? What are people telling you actually?
Yeah, my Instagram is blowing up, and my thing is, मेरे को बहुत time बाद ना, I feel I got to unleash myself. मुझे ऐसा लगा कि I wasn't holding back.
हमें भी ऐसे लगा सर।
This was a place where I felt safe,
I'm not closing my eyes. Band के लोग
like I felt in AIB. At the roast, I had fun.
A lot of you must be wondering where Raghu is right now, looking at where his camera is. I can tell you guys he's on the mountains. Anyway, let's get into the episode.
He's a
I
big
want to ask, is that
mountain
Roadies
guy.
show?
This is Roadies. Yeah.
I haven't seen. No.
It's your choice.
It's her choice. Are you a virgin?
Yes, I'm virgin.
You are.
हाँ जी।
इसने सेक्स लिखा ही नहीं। आपको कभी करना ही नहीं।
नहीं करना।
मतलब तेरे अकॉर्डिंग सेक्स बुरा है।
इट इज नॉट लव, ये क्या है? लस्ट।
तू कैसे पैदा हुआ भाई?
सतयुग में कभी भी बच्चे जब पैदा होते हैं ना, फिजिकल उससे नहीं होते, यहाँ पे फिर एनर्जी एक्सचेंज होती है, उसी से बच्चा पैदा होता है।
I want
ठीक
to
है bro,
understand how
ये
he
भी ठीक है.
masturbates then.
He's a sapiosexual.
Yeah.
Haven't you ever heard of the concept of head banging?
I feel sorry for the people who give him head massages.
They're giving him orgasms.
Raghu, your relationship with Ranvijay on Roadies, every episode or every new city that you would go for audition, तुम लोगों का वो होता था कि इस शहर में क्या चुतिया होने वाला है अभी, like because you guys would keep meeting hilarious people. Right?
Yeah, man. Actually, मेरे I was on top of things for the most part, and उनकी brief सही थी कि get people that you think will be cast and get people that you think won't be cast but would be great fun to interview. अब इसमें क्या होता था, लोग भड़कते थे because they used to think that Rudy's is about aggression. मैं aggressive हो जाता हूँ. They used to be obnoxious with the moderator. जिन पे गुस्सा आता था ना moderators, they used to send them up. वहाँ लिखा होता था फॉर्म में ये पिटने आया है करके. पूरा कमेंट होता था ये पिटने आया है. हम लोग there were reasons why we used abusive language. But when we put it on air, na, I used to beep all the abusive words. I used to mute them also. Somebody in MTV decided it will be a good idea. He uploaded a short saying 1,000 galis in 1 minute. Montage of all my
Nice.
अब
What a
that,
supercut.
उस पे पहला केस पड़ा मेरा. Somebody
If you did not get angry, तो edit पे feedback आया होगा कि इसमें मजा नहीं आया यार, किसी को.
the head of MTV at that time, business head, told me कि यार reaction ऐसा आ रहा है कि it's not rude, it's huggy, it's rude is not huggies. You can't keep hugging people, bro.
प्रोडक्शन वाले के रात में आता हुआ, अरे वो ऑडियो ढंग से सिंक नहीं हुआ, आस्क रघु टू सेंड अ वॉइस नोट सेइंग भोस.
एक काम कर सकते क्या, मादर के बाद बीप डाल दे.
लाइट जाने के बाद भी हमारे भाई साहब ड्रोन पंखे के तौर पर इस्तेमाल करते हुए
No fucking way, bro.
अगर ड्रोन उन्होंने चला के छोड़ा.
No fucking way.
He's द्रोणाचार्य.
और पता है इसका बैटरी लाइफ भी होगा तो अलार्म भी यही है.
Raghu, you and your brother Rajiv Lakshman are confusing to me at a biological level because you both look like testicles, but you're both assholes.
You know, बाबा, honestly, जब रघु और राजीव पैदा हुए ना, दुनिया में पहली बार एक चूत से 2 चूतिया निकली.
Oh wow.
जिन्होंने एक चूतिया चैनल पे एक चूतिया शो बनाया, जहां हजारों चूतियों ने ऑडिशन किया, जिनमें से 20 चूतियों ने चूतिया कंट्रीज में जाके अपना चूतिया कटाया और 100 करोड़ चूतिया ऑडियंस को चूतिया बनाया. रघु, what I'm trying to say is,
और इस पे 2 चूतियों ने.
Hey, this fucking guy did it before Tony Hinchcliffe, bro, right? Tony did the whole liver Martin Luther King. That was fucking amazing, by the way. I don't like the actor Arjun Kapoor, पर ये joke जिसने भी लिखा उसके लिए kill कर दिया, bro, kill कर दिया.
जोक मारा. और इस पे 2 चूतियों ने जोक मारा.
Nice, nice. Oh,
no,
look who's
Raghu,
there.
seriously, what I'm trying to say is, तू इतना गाली क्यों देता है यार? रघु, अच्छा सच्चे दिल से एक बात बता, हाँ? तू हिलाता है या अपने लड़ पे चिल्लाता है? निकाल पहुंचने के निकाल तो चिंच करेगा, छूट ना, खड़ा नहीं हो सकता, तू रोटी
ये मोमेंट याद है मुझे.
I'm getting full nice nostalgia flashback.
I've seen this movie, dude. It's great.
That's my ex-wife.
Oh yeah, that is.
Oh,
That's
shit.
crazy. Oh, she was cheering the loudest, bro.
I have had requests.
To be yelled at. Like
Your
in a,
OnlyFans must be amazing.
oh, you people were ready to pay you to please come home abuse me.
वो तो अभी भी बोलते हैं सर.
चाचा के चौड़े चबूतरे पर चील ने चूहे को चोंच से चबा डाला. चाचा ने चाची की
When Chacha becomes Chichi.
The Govinda reference.
Chichi.
Listen, if you want Raghu to scream at you, ask us. We are friends, or we can just ask him directly.
You don't have to do shitty jokes.
Sridhar is India's #1 corporate comedian. He's massive on LinkedIn.
What's a corporate comedian?
Corporate comedian is
Someone who doesn't make laugh, he gets appraisal.
बेचारा श्रीधर
For
man.
corporates or your jokes are corporate jokes?
Jokes are understood only by people who have 9 to 5 jobs.
Ouch.
9 to 5 jokes.
It's an action.
That Kingfisher ran away faster than Vijay Mallya.
Me last night.
Nirmala Sitharaman with my salary. Nice.
Nice.
गांडू। अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ।
तमन्ना, मेरा नाम तमन्ना है।
बेटा क्या नौकरी का इंटरव्यू क्या है?
अच्छा, रोटी के बारे में बोलो।
नहीं, अपने बारे में। अपने बारे में बोलो भाई।
अपने बारे में, मेरा नाम तमन्ना है।
अरे तमन्ना, हाँ, you're a girl?
अब क्या बताऊं, मैं भी नहीं बताती जो लिखा है।
नहीं, हमने पढ़ लिया। पढ़ चुके। मैं आपको फ्रीडम दे रहा हूँ। यू लव योर फ्रीडम ना? मैं आपको फ्रीडम दे रहा हूँ, जो भी आप बताना चाहें बताइए। अब तो इतने बिल्डअप के बाद आई कांट वेट टू हियर कि अभी क्या आने वाला है।
तमन्ना, मेरा नाम तमन्ना है।
Guys, just one question. इस लड़की का नाम क्या है?
After the success of I am Groot and Hodor, we have
तमन्ना।
मेरा नाम तमन्ना है।
This girl doing sex says, I'll say my name.
मेरा नाम तमन्ना।
अगर 8 बिलियन पीपल जिंदा है अभी, तो इसका मतलब 16 बिलियन लोगों ने सेक्स किए होंगे, बराबर?
यार पर मेरे को एक बात बता, जब लोग ही 8 बिलियन है तो 16 बिलियन कहाँ से आए?
मैं वही तो बोल रहा हूँ कि लोग बोलते हैं विद टाइम पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है,
पर ये तो कम हो गई ना।
टाइम पॉपुलेशन कम हो रही है क्योंकि 8 बिलियन लोग जिंदा है, तो इसका मतलब 16 बिलियन लोगों ने सेक्स किए होंगे।
16 बिलियन लोग तो थे ही नहीं कभी।
8 बिलियन लोग कहाँ गायब हुए बाकी के?
थानोस इज रियल भाई।
Bro was looking for a problem for his solution, bro.
Yeah, literally.
किसने बोला है लीगल को गांजा करो? वैसे रघु, you and Rajiv, how many people took to conceive the two of you?
We are monozygotic twins. No, monozygotic मतलब we were supposed to be one person.
अच्छा.
So that is zygotic. The 2 eggs are fertilized at the same time. There are 2 people, but this is one. Rajiv and I are actually supposed to be one person.
अच्छा.
We get that sense sometimes while watching.
Yeah. At least one is psychotic.
No conozco banderas del mundo. Gay.
Which country's flag? Yaar, I've never seen it. What the fuck?
Yeah, me neither.
Seychelles. किसने बोला this is LGTV?
What country is that?
Flag of gay shells.
You are asking Raghu what is a corporate comedian, no?
Yes.
जितने लोगों ने सीधा भाई को बुक किया होगा भी कॉर्पोरेट, उसके लिए अभी सब मेल लिख रहे हैं ड्यू टू
We would be resigning our position.
I hope some of the decisions won't affect our operation.
और बेटा एडमिशन हो गया?
हाँ, एडमिशन हो गया।
कौन से कॉलेज में?
मेरा एमिटी में है।
एमिटी में? वो तो बड़ी लंडन यूनिवर्सिटी है।
Is there a university called Lund?
Yes.
Yeah, everybody
There's
knows.
also a Lauda Airlines.
There is a Lauda Airlines also, yeah.
This is where campus placements happen for roadies.
Good joke.
मजे आ रहे। मजे तो देखो जी, मजे तब होता है जब आदमी के जेब में पैसा हो, और भाई कहने वाला कोई नहीं हो।
फोन का तेरा
जेब में
दे इधर।
पकड़ा गया।
यो है जी।
ये फोन मैंने खरीदा अभी इतने साल काम करने के बाद।
S3
एक और फोन होने के बावजूद।
जेब में पैसे हो तो कैसी बातें कर रहा है? इससे बढ़िया फोन नहीं है आज मार्केट में।
भाई ये देखो जी,
इसके आईब्रोज देख देसी आदमी के।
I'll talk to you in English because I know you can understand me.
You don't need to call out his eyebrows, brother.
That's fucked up, bro.
Bro, Raghu really hates hair, huh?
जो मैं चिल्ला रहा हूँ ना फोन के बारे में कि ये इतना सही फोन है, इतने टाइम के बाद मैंने खरीदा। That was a sponsor of that season. And I said the name of the phone also. Yeah, Samsung Galaxy phone है, तो बढ़िया फोन नहीं है मार्केट में। अब मैं गुस्से में स्पॉन्सर देख कैसे इंटीग्रेट कर रहा हूँ।
अरे सर, ये क्या ट्रिविया दे दिया सर?
क्या बात है?
A woman is pregnant with 2 babies. They are called twins. When a woman is pregnant with 3 babies, they are called blank.
Triplets?
Triceps.
मैं और राजू उस हिसाब से बाइसेप हुए।
Yeah, correct.
And when you have 4, they are called quads.
Quads. I know. Quads
There
is
are 5,
the
there are deadlifts.
सीमेंट जैसे रिलीज होने वाला है। सीमेंट रिलीज होना तो मेल पेनिस को विंड्रो कर लेगा, और मेल पेनिस को विंड्रो कर लेगा और सीमेंट को रिलीज करेगा कहाँ?
This is a classroom in Lund University.
Yeah.
Making it sound like a bank transaction.
Yes.
Yeah, bro. Withdraw.
पहले withdraw करेगा, फिर पासबुक अपडेट करेगा।
इस एज के लड़कों को ये सिखाने की जरूरत क्या पड़ रही है उस आदमी को?
अरे नहीं, वो उसमें रिप्रोडक्शन वाले चैप्टर में वो मेथड होते हैं, कॉन्ट्रासेप्टिव मेथड. तो फर्स्ट इज द प्रोटेक्शन मेथड, वन इज द कैलेंडर मेथड.
एक मिनट कैलेंडर मेथड क्या है?
It's a good method.
We just dodged the bullet. Right now, Tanmay was going to go fuck his calendar.
Calendar method, this is corporate jargons, is you have sex when salary comes.
Yeah, there's something called soaking, which is even, if you think
Oh my God, it's the worst thing.
more
It's
ridiculous
crazy.
than calendar method, it's called soaking. It's okay as long as you don't put any effort into it. So penis is deposited into the bank, and then
But that's not a contraceptive method. That's just a way of having sex that Mormons do. So they're talking about contraceptive
you have
methods.
two people shaking the bed sheet
Yep.
so that the act can happen, but you're not doing it.
So it's marriage basically.
Ouch. Coming from Shahar OP. Yeah, bro. Yeah, ditto मार दिया.
किसी के गजरे
Defense.
किसी के गजरे ने
That is so cute, man. That is adorable.
This is
Biscuit दे माँ वाला.
He's a Labrador.
Oh my God, bro. अब 2 साल बाद मुझे रिक्वेस्ट आएगी ये भी कि यार वो हमारी एक रिएक्शन वीडियो में से जो है वो सीन जरा कट कर देना. डेथ थ्रेट्स आ रहे हैं. यही होता है बॉर्डर चिरायू मिस्त्री का बॉर्डर का रिमूव्ड. ये oh my God, I can already predict it.
भैरव सिंह कॉलर संभालो भैरव सिंह.
Now you pissed me off. Intensity! Passion! I have that passion, I have that intensity. I'm sure I'll definitely make it.
Bro did it before speed.
You see angry gorilla? You see it? Slap
No.
yourself. Slap yourself. Better.
Raghu is like अगले से राजीव लाना पड़ेगा.
When this guy came na, तभी select करता था अपना निखिल, and he said, Raghu, I'm not going to be this kind of person and मैं stress नहीं डाल सकता. I'm a very approachable guy. That's my brand. Cut to.
Intensity!
चमाटे मार रहा है.
Day one वो ऐसा हो गया था खूंखार सा. You talk to people like this, it really fucks with your brain. It warps your sense of reality, and this is the room you're living in now. But उसमें भी I thought this was not excusable. I spoke to him. आप हाथ नहीं लगा सकते किसी को यार.
Nikhil going from I'm very approachable to this reminds me of Sridhar saying I'm corporate comedian. Cut to calendar sex.
वैसे स्वागत तो हम करेंगे आपका, क्योंकि हम सोनी चैनल पर पिछले 18 साल से आ रहे हैं.
What's with the hairstyle roast? बोला आज मैं ऐसा बन के जाऊंगा लगेगा दुनिया को CID फैन.
आज आ गए हो.
नहीं ये तो बात सही.
एक बात कहूं?
जी सर.
कपिल,
बहन चोद.
I have an alternative name for CID. Comedy Nights with Katil. Sorry.
Go back to this the calendar sex.
What the fuck are they doing?
किसी ने चैट में पूछा इसमें से ओरिजिनल कौन सा है? मेरे को नहीं पता. They're both so good.
ऊपर वाला किंग का गाना है, नीचे वाला लिंग का गाना है.
Correct.
what is your sex?
सर आपने फॉर्म में लिखा हुआ है मेल है, फिर से एक क्वेश्चन मतलब आप लोग
कहाँ लिखा है?
मेल लिखा हुआ है पे, आप देखिए. मैं उठ के देखा हूँ क्या लिखा हुआ है, M उसके बाद फॉर्म नंबर. आप लोगों के पास अगर दिमाग हो तो ऐसा कुछ लिखते ही नहीं. मतलब आप लोगों ने
चमाट.
अगर पूछ लिया तो जवाब देने में दिक्कत है.
एक क्वेश्चन को 2 बार मेरे को जवाब नहीं दे रहे.
अगला सवाल.
Education.
यस, गुड इनफ फॉर रोडीज.
Bro.
क्या है हमारे लिए एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन रोडीज के लिए?
कुछ एजुकेशन कॉलेज तो है ही नहीं. लॉन्डे 5 क्लास में पढ़ के रोडीज में आ जाते हैं, बोलते हैं कि मेरे को रोडीज बनने हैं भाई.
जूता उतार के मुंह पे मारो. समझ में आ गई?
हो गया.
In his defense, M लिखा है.
Also, in his defense, what are the educational qualifications?
Yeah, right. Where's the lie? Where's the lie?
ये वो है जिसके फॉर्म पे मॉडरेटर लिख के भेजते थे पिटने आया ये शक्ली. He has an eminently hittable face.
Eminently hittable face.
फॉर्म में लिखा नहीं होता तो रघु खुद ही लिख लेता था ये.
Yeah, you're right. But in my mind, there is no contradiction.
He just confessed.
There is
Like,
no
yeah, that's
contradiction
right.
in my mind, really.
सर मैंने यहाँ लिविंग ऑन द एज लिखा हुआ है.
उतारे.
Oh no.
Raghu, you've seen Pakistani roadies?
Not really. I'm aware of it.
But you know what's cool is you can see how the meeting for Pakistani roadies happened, right? Where the other guys like, get me the opposite of Raghu.
Yeah.
Get me the opposite. No one can say. Yeah. No one can say it's a copy.
पार्टीशन में बाहर उधर चले गए थे.
Yeah, you know, right now Pakistan has also copied India's Got Latent. They have a show called Talent Got Pakistan.
And in their defense, that's
It's
how
really
it was
bad.
written.
True.
Can I tell you a story about this guy?
Yeah.
Vakar.
He has a show called Living on the Edge. He rebranded it, calling it Pakistan Roadies. At the end of the season 4, Facebook पे या Orkut पे एक वो आ गया था कि एक शो ऐसा शो जो लोग कहते हैं कि यहाँ बनना चाहिए Pakistan Roadies. Okay. Then I realized that man, these guys are co-opting the fucking brand. I went to my boss's office and I said, fucking sue the pants off these guys, man. He said, we can't. I said, why not? He said, we haven't copyrighted Roadies.
You wonder why?
4 सीजन हो गए. मैं बोला what? I took it very personally because मेरा काम था वो and तो मैंने बोला fuck you guys, मैं जाके copyright कर रहा हूँ. I want to sue this guy. So I went and मैंने धमकी दी. 2 दिन में इन्होंने copyright कर दिया. Imagine if they hadn't, I would have fucking copyrighted Roadies. I would have never spoken to any of you guys. मेरे को जरूरत ही नहीं.
भाई इसका नाम पूरा नाम क्या तेरा?
सलमान आबिद.
सलमान शेख. आबिद नाम है ना, शेख कहाँ से आ गया?
शेख सलमान आबिद.
तो शेख कौन है?
मतलब सलमान
क्या बोल रहे हैं यार, तू क्या पागल हो गए यार? सलमान आबिद लिखा है फिर बोल रहा है सलमान शेख.
शेख नहीं लगाया, सलमान आबिद.
सलमान आबिद शेख नाम है, सलमान शेख आबिद है. क्या नाम है?
शेख सलमान आबिद.
अब शेख शुरू में आ गया.
शेख सलमान आबिद पूरा नाम है.
आराम से रिलैक्स हो जा.
बैठ
बता, बैठ क्यों जा, खड़ा रहे.
Divided by politics, united by Tamanna.
My name is Tamanna.
This guy, Jupendra Bhogi.
आपने करना ही है, ये तीनों अंडे आपने छिलके के साथ खा लेने. 1 मिनट हो चुका है. मुंह खोलो. क्या याद करेंगे आप? ये ले.
थैंक यू.
खोले से. नाम सही लिखा है मैंने आपका?
वजीहा गोल.
आपका क्या नाम है?
कुंजुल हया.
सिलेक्शन हो गया, आपके अंडा रख दे. आपको क्या लगता है ये ड्राइव थ्रू है, आएंगी, ये चैलेंज करेंगी और सिलेक्शन हो जाएगी? खड़ी हो जाए यहाँ पे. जी, किसकी सिलेक्शन होनी चाहिए इनमें से?
क्यों नहीं चाहिए?
क्या नाम है आपका?
कुंजुल.
कुंजुल. जी कुंजुल, किसका नाम है?
मरियम.
मरियम, सिलेक्शन हो गया.
Wow. To be fair, that is also how Pakistan chooses prime minister.
Ouch. Facts, bro.
Captain.
And fucking chairmans.
Of roadies like ever keep in touch types. Like I remember Ashutosh had won the first or second, third season, I think.
First season was not a competition. So there was no winner. You just had to finish the journey. That's it.
In second में Ayushman.
Second was Ayushman. Yeah. So technically the first winner of Roadies is Ayushman. Can I tell you a story about that? About Ayushman?
About Ayushman?
Yes.
Yeah.
One of the tasks we did on Roadies 2 was sperm donation.
Oh.
And imagine that was his first film, Vicky Dono.
Yeah, correct. Crazy.
Sorry, I need to go back. You're telling me there are 10 like roadie sperm just running around in the world somewhere.
Just because of
Supervised.
कोई बच्चा है जो पानी का रंग देख के रोने लग जाता है भाई.
शब्दकोश को इंग्लिश में क्या बोलेंगे?
What does अंडकोश mean?
Testicles को हिंदी में हम लोग आंड भी बोलते हैं, but that's because it egg shaped. Andkosh, I don't know if that's a word.
Chamber of the Ants.
Chamber of Ants. The unwritten.
Chamber of Ants. Oh, yeah. Unwritten Harry Potter book.
Yes.
Scrotal sack.
Scrotal sack is if Sridhar had to put it on LinkedIn.
Why he got fired?
Scrotal sack.
कमर से हाथ था बड़वे.
हाँ ना, मत पकड़ना क्यों है तेरे को?
अरे गिर गया.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
I love with boys it's like there's almost near fatal accident and the reaction is अबे गिर गया, अरे पैचन गिर गया.
These are those roadie sperms coming together.
Yeah.
उसके शब्दकोश पिचक गए.
उसका हाथ का गोश्त भी पिचक गया.
I'm telling you, robbing that bank was the best decision I've ever made.
It's so crazy, bro. But what the flip are you gonna do with all that darn money?
Money?
Spermac.
Ayushmann that he was.
Dude, Naran Mitra blushing is so cute, man.
Also, Akshay Khanna blushing in this scene is amazing too. Like, original is better than this.
Every year your school counts all the
Oh my
times
god,
that-
yeah, I've seen this. Bro. So many Patels in US, bro. Sridhar looks so proud. Look at him. He looks so proud.
Fuck. It's a lot of Patels, bro.
करते ना अपन कुछ पटेल लोग के लिए
That's so good, man. He's so funny, bro.
Trump counting green cards to cancel.
Basically, Punjab and Haryana burning crop and Delhi in the background.
Oh, nice. Nice, nice.
Say hello to AQI.
Raghu copywriting roadies before MTV.
You watching mom and dad argue.
Bro, के अंड fuck होगा.
Wow.
Sridhar, after every sentence of Sridhar, we regret to inform you.
We are stopping comedy shows in our company for
Only corporate Sridhar can perform for is ITC because they cigarette to inform you.
Oh.
Sridhar, are you proud of me?
Very, very.
Chalo.
3, 2, 1.
बांग बोचड़ा आटू जाटू चिकिटुया
I don't want to say it.
I'll say it. I'll say it.
Raghu and Rajiv.
Raghu Rajiv.
They should be called relationship and love ship.
I have always had a question, Raghu. There was this famous clip of you on Indian Idol.
Just give me a minute, okay? I have a. I need to.
Let's talk about it.
Sing it. Yeah. Some people do alap and all. मेरे को.
You are already wasting 30 seconds.
आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो.
अच्छा, लेकिन आपने जो स्ट्रेचिंग की उसके बावजूद भी आपकी स्ट्रेचिंग आपकी सुर तक नहीं पहुंची.
आपका कहने का मतलब है कि आपको मेरा गाना पसंद नहीं आया?
मेरे हिसाब से मुंबई नहीं आ सकते.
तो आप ये बात तमीज से भी बोल सकते हैं.
Was this staged or real?
A bit of both. Tell you,
Bro,
because
it's
this
staged.
happened
Don't,
when-
don't fucking lie to people.
I had finished that with Ayushmann in Wagah border, Amritsar. वहां से I was coming to Bombay via Delhi. तो मैं दिल्ली तक ट्रेन में आए हम और रोड से और उस टाइम पहला वो शूट हो रहा था इंडियन आइडल का ऑडिशन एंड my friends, I was working in Meritech before that, so they were my friends and all that. My girlfriend at that time was working there also. तो मैं गया उनसे मिलने. वहां पर लोगों ने बोला, ओए रघु तू आ गया, तू एक काम कर यार, जाके लड़ ले इनसे. मैंने बोला क्यों, मैं क्यों लड़ूंगा यार, मेरे को नहीं लड़ना, मैं थका हुआ हूँ. बट उन्होंने कहा नहीं यार, ये लोग ना बहुत रूडली सबसे बात कर रहे हैं, लोग रो रहे हैं, तू जाके लड़. मैं बोला मैं नहीं करूंगा. Then my girl said, baby do it. मैंने कहा बैंड चो धड़ जाओ सारे. So I went in to fight. They didn't know. And I was sitting.
उनको नहीं पता था.
उनको नहीं पता था. You can say I was a plant to generate reactions from them, but their reactions were real. So I went in to pick a fight. That's why I went and started doing warm-ups and.
So bad, did you ever meet them?
True.
Yes.
That's true.
Acha. Then they knew.
I have worked with Tismar Khan with. Farah
Correct.
Khan.
With Farah. Oh yeah.
Sul Nigam has also.
Oh, correct. Crazy. I think this was the longest guest episode we've ever done. We're at 90 minutes.
Yeah.
I don't know if the Telugu film has been announced, Raghu, but in case you want to talk
It
about
has, yeah. It's called Mechanic Rocky, and it's coming out on the 22nd.
22nd of now, November. Now in
November,
4 days.
Oh, nice.
Oh, crazy. Okay.
That's why I'm here in.
Arey, Sridhar, say something, yaar. Ingalavada.
ഇങ്ങളോട അല്ല കൂടെ പൊlle
I saw that part.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡೆ
Mechanic Rocky.
ಇಲ್ಲ ತೋಳ ಪುಲ್ಲೆ
ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ.
Oh, nice, nice.
इल्ले पोड़ गिल्ले.
But Crazy, what are you doing in the film?
I'm
सोच रहा था मैं क्या. Nice.
I'm the villain, bitch. Obviously.
Nice.
Oh, really?
It's like
Okay.
obviously.
Okay,
Nice.
excited to watch you. Thank you so much for coming, Raghu. And I
Thanks
will
for
see you
having me.
next decade, I guess. Exactly.
Yeah.
10 years from now.
के लिए.
Raghu sir, I loved your acting in Jhuta Hi Sahi. It's very underrated, but it was very
Jhuta Hi
nice.
Sahi, I remember. Yeah.
और
Yes.
बहुत मस्त फिल्म थी और आपकी एक्टिंग भी बहुत सही थी.
That was Rajiv.
See you next time. Bye.
I'm so happy for him, man. I'm so happy for this guy, man. He needs to be famous again, you know, because he did do a lot of entertainment. Yes, it was brain rot. Yeah, this was garbage from the उन दोनों के standards के हिसाब से. अब क्योंकि internet की दुनिया है, I think he deserves a shot at like being himself, being his honest self, non-TV self. And I think आजकल की दुनिया is the best place for him to do that. So I hope he starts a YouTube channel or a show or something, and we get to watch it. It would be amazing. He's amazing, bro. He's hilarious.